Okay, good. So before I start, here's the usual disclaimer. I'm already entered in the trade. I reached my first target. I had a great setup here, so that's why I took it. So 2 minutes before opening. So before I go on, here is the usual disclaimer. Any comment, statement, or any verbiage stated in this recorded webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive System. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive System is not indicative of future results. Again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only, and I must emphasize that I am not a licensed or professional trading advisor. I'm merely a retail trader just like everyone else. So with that said, like I said, Happy New Year to all you traders here in the Philippines. Good evening again here in the Philippines. Today is I think it's Wednesday. Nope. If I can get my bearings straight, it's Thursday, January 2nd. I'm lost for days. All my days run together, so I have to look at what day it is. Anyways, I know it's the day after New Year's, and hopefully you guys have celebrated New Year's for the ending of a old, should I say, the ending of a decade and the start of a new decade. So with that said, like I said, I have a live trade right now. I entered right here, I think, right there, and it was a good setup for me. If you can look here, we're looking at if you look at the naked chart here. Bring up the naked chart. Right here. That's not the naked chart. Let me see if I can bring it up. Here we are. The market is already opened, right? Close to being opened. Still have a cold. So here it is. We see basically the topping right here. And now here's what you have. We have a correction coming down here. I'm expecting to get down here, around 45.25. So we'll see. Again, I'm expecting a correction down to here, bounce off which is the VWAP, come back up, and eventually we'll see if it's going to continue going up or will it continue going down to down here, which is this is the deviation level. Once it reaches the outer deviation level here, most likely it's going to try to get down to here, to the other side of the deviation level. This is a +2 deviation, and this is a -2 deviation. And so that's usually how the markets go. But like I said, we'll see what happens. Our overall trend is up, but I think we're looking at a slight correction here coming through here to the mid band, or not the mid band, but the VWAP. We'll see what happens here. The VWAP, if it's going to bounce up and continue going down, or will it bounce up and continue going up? We'll just have to see. Okay, so that's my speculation. Okay, let me see here. So with that said, I will put this on mute, and you can see I'm hitting this target here. This should be a good one trade for me. I'll put this on I'm expecting this to be at least 1 hour. If I hit my target within 1 hour, then I will I will stop the webinar. But as you can see here, I might be hitting this, and if I do, I probably hit my daily target. But what I'm gonna do is let's see if I can get up another setup after this, because most likely there will be. So we'll wait for that. But like I said, the most I'll go is probably 1 hour. Okay. So with that said, I will put this on mute. Talk to you guys later. So with that, I am done for the day. I think I reached my daily profit goal here. Here is the slight loss here, small loss. Like I said, I had my first trade here. So basically 3 trades, net of 478.48. So that was less than what? Less than 30 minutes. And again, this is during the holiday season, so usually no volatility. Just getting some erratic movements going on here. So with that said, that's why it's easy to quit to make profit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on. I'll end it for today, and tomorrow is Friday. Again, I'm going to look at how the market is moving between the pre-markets and see if it's worth trading, and if it is, then I will trade it for either a small profit or some profit. Okay, until we get back to regular trading, I would say that's on Monday, January 6th. So hopefully I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, and good night and God bless. Bye-bye.